Hi friends, hope you're all doing good. Today I'm back with an easy peasy recipe, a simple raita from the Sindhi cuisine. It's Swanjhre jo Raito. Swanjhro is nothing but drumstick flowers. Earlier I had posted the curry also, and I had posted another video in which I showed in detail how to pick the flowers, clean them, boil them and freeze them in Ziploc bags. So this way, because it's time consuming, it makes it easier. Whenever you want, you can defrost them, put them in hot water and use them the way you want to make the curry, or you can make the raita. So let's get started with the raita. We'll be requiring yogurt, about 1 cup, boiled drumstick flowers. Now I've shared the video of this earlier, as it's a tedious and long process. It has to be done beforehand. Please check the video, and I've given the link in the description box below. Do check it out. And then we require salt to taste, crushed black pepper and crushed mustard seeds. You can use yellow or black. Now in a larger bowl, take the yogurt, add little salt to taste and whisk it well. This raita usually has a thick and creamy texture, so don't add any water to it. Now stir in the pre-cooked drumstick flowers. Give it a good stir. Now season it with little crushed black pepper and crushed mustard seeds. Mix them well. And your Swanjhre jo Raito is ready. Dish it out in a smaller bowl. This is a very delicious raita. It's a favorite of all the Sindhis, and now is the season for these flowers. Do try to get them. If you get, give it a try. I have also shared the Bhaji, Swanjhre ji Bhaji earlier. Check that out also. Now garnish with little crushed black pepper and mustard, crushed mustard. These are the two ingredients we add, nothing else is added. No crushed cumin powder or chaat masala. Friends, do subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notifications. Check out these videos in case you have missed watching them. Thank you. See you soon with more recipes. Stay tuned.